We are coming off the hottest September on record. This year, September's average temperature was 70.3 degrees. The previous warmest was back in 2015 of 69.4. It was definitely warm. We had several days in the 90s and only one day, as you'll see here on our calendar, that was normal. That gray day on September 6th. That was the only average day we had, and we only had 3 days where we were cooler than average. Otherwise, well above normal conditions persisted the entire month of September. And we enter the beginning of October on another warmer note. Not quite as warm, but still warmer than average, as our ridge of high pressure continues to dominate our forecast for the foreseeable future. Looking out on satellite and radar, we'll pull in a few clouds into the mid-morning, early afternoon, passing cloud or two with a touch of a breeze, otherwise pretty quiet conditions. The breeze will certainly kick up into the northern Park Range where high fire danger becomes a concern. We have a red flag warning in place as humidity will drop quite low, and we monitor the concern for fire danger there. Adjacent to that, a fire weather watch remains in place from noon to 7 p.m. on Tuesday. Again, the possibility of that rapid fire spread, so certainly something you'll want to be mindful of into your Tuesday afternoon. Through the day today, the metro will remain under pretty calm winds, but heading into the plains, we'll see those wind speeds kick up and certainly up into the foothills as well throughout the day today. By tomorrow, sort of a similar trend, maybe a touch breezier into some of our Denver areas, but up into the foothills, that's where we'll see the bulk of our stronger winds, and that's where we'll continue to monitor that fire danger. Futurecast, virtually non-existent, not a lot happening. A few passing clouds here and there. Otherwise, we continue this sunny, very dry trend as we enter into the day today and really the first several days of the month of October. Forecast highs for your Tuesday afternoon expected to get into the mid to upper 70s. High country today, similar. We're kind of across the board, very similar as far as temperatures go. You head over into Grand Junction, Cortez, Glenwood Springs, Rangeley today. That's where we're looking at the low 80s. Up into Larimer and Weld County, Fort Collins 75 this afternoon. Berthoud also coming in at 75 for a forecast high today. You jump over into Adams County and Aurora could jump to 78 this afternoon as Thornton sits at 77. So again, pretty comfortable as we head out the door. Now into the morning, it was cool. It was one of the coolest mornings we've seen in quite some time with the wind chill out there, but into the afternoon, warming quite nicely, very comfortable for our Tuesday. High temperatures build even more heading into Wednesday. We have the potential to break some records as we're knocking on the door at 90 degrees at the airport. The previous record is 88. It's looking pretty likely that we will, if not tie, break that record on Wednesday. And then we're a little cooler by Thursday and Friday, but Saturday bounces us right back up into the upper 80s, could break some more records heading into Saturday. And looking ahead into next week, we continue this sunny and dry trend as we approach Wednesday, which is the 9th, of October, continuing this warm and dry trend.